An individual was killed after being struck by a high-voltage electric cable while at a party at a house in Rajagiriya. An 11-year-old child who is in serious condition is receiving treatment at the ICU of the Colombo National Hospital.
මාම ඉන්නේ නිවසක දෙවෙනි මහලේ. ඒ කියන්නේ පොළොව මට්ටමේ ඉඳන් ගත්තොත් එහෙම අඩි 15ක් පමණ උස වූ භූමිය.
This is the second floor of a house. That means about 15 feet from above the ground level. You can see a high voltage cable that runs above these houses. It runs on the level of the roof. An individual was killed last afternoon when a high voltage cable touched him. From where I am, you must be able to see a high voltage cable that is close by. If I raise my hand, it may touch the high voltage cable.
විදුලි රැහැනක් මේ අසලින්ම ගමන් කරනවා. මගේ අත ඉස්සුවොත් එහෙම බොහෝ විට මගේ අත ඒ විදුලි රැහැන් වල දැවටීමේ ඉඩ කඩ තිබෙනවා.
This house is situated in Ubesekarapura, Rajagiriya. A birthday party was held here last afternoon. An 11-year-old child had climbed to the second floor of the house in order to close the tap of the overflowing tank. However, a high voltage cable that was very low had touched the child.
Suddenly there was a noise. Then my brother had gone up to see what the sound was. Then he had seen the child burning.
A 56-year-old man who heard the sound had gone to the second floor, had seen the child and had attempted to save him, but he too was electrocuted.
ඔබට පැහැදිලිව පේනවා ඇති මේ විදුලි රැහැන් මොනතරම් පහතින්ද ගමන් කරන්න කියලා. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේ භූමියේ
The high voltage cable runs about 5 feet above the second floor of the house. Not only an adult, even a child runs the risk of being electrocuted.
පුජ්‍යලෙකුට විතරක් නෙවෙයි මේ ස්ථානෙට එන කුඩා දරුවෙකුටුනත් මේ විදුලි සැර වැදීමේ අවදානම තියෙනවා.
When such a dangerous situation prevails, who granted permission for a house to be built at such a location?
Our fathers and grandfathers were born in these villages. We have been living in these villages. As long as we lived here, these cables too existed. However, since of late, these cables have been coming. They put the slab for the house when the cables were about 20 feet above. Then there was no problem in moving about. Eventually the cables loosened and started to come down, but no one did anything.
They passed these plans, and that is why houses are being built. Why didn't they take any action when they passed these plans? The CEB must take action. These people have informed authorities and filed petitions, but no one has taken any action. If the area residents had informed authorities, then the CEB has been responsible in taking a life and endangering the life of another. Anyone can see the manner in which high voltage cables run adjacent to many houses. As a result, residents of these houses must live with the fear of death hanging over them. Will the CEB take action even after this? When contacted by News First, CEB officials said that the problem had been prevailing for quite some time, and due to illegal constructions, they are finding it difficult to resolve it.